Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the flagship device from OnePlus for 2018, the OnePlus 6. So OnePlus 6 made the global debut last week, and this device is now available for sale in India and comes in three variants: the 6GB RAM and 64GB storage, 8GB RAM, 128GB of storage, and there is also a special Avengers edition which has 8GB of RAM and 256GB storage along with the limited edition. So in this video, let's unbox the OnePlus 6 and see what all it features in the box pack. So this is the box packing. 6 is mentioned here, so you can see the 6 mentioned here. OnePlus 6 is mentioned on the side. The speed you need, that's the caption. And we have the 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage variant. This is the box pack of the 128GB of storage, and we have the mirror black variant. It comes with a mirror black, then matte black is also included, and also the white silk white variant is there. So we have done an hands-on with those variants. You can check out that video. It's available on our channel. So you can see this device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 octa-core chipset coupled with either 6GB of RAM or 8GB of RAM. Now let's start the unboxing and see what all comes inside the box. So opening up, you can see the OnePlus 6 on the top. So let's just take this out. So there you go. So that's the OnePlus 6 with the glossy back panel. It's a mirror black variant and looks really gorgeous. And this is a glass panel, and we have this mention of SIM tray and NFC included. So let's just peel this off, and you can see the OnePlus logo, the dual camera. It's a primary 16 megapixel camera, f-stop 1.7 aperture, and a secondary 20 megapixel camera, again with f-stop 1.7 aperture, and this has electronic image stabilization as well as optical image stabilization included. Dual LED flash, the fingerprint scanner, and the OnePlus logo. And on the right side we have the alert slider and power button. So that's the options available on the right side. The left side houses the volume keys, and again we have the SIM tray included on the left side. Now on the top panel there are no openings or slots. At the bottom portion you can see the USB Type-C port, the speaker unit, and the 3.5mm audio jack. So it is included here. So let's boot the device. So it comes with a 6.23 inch Full HD Plus resolution display. It has this notch included. So it's basically 19:9 aspect ratio that's included. So let's just boot this device, and in the meantime let's see what all comes inside the box pack. So let's open this. So this comes with a case included. So you can see this is the case which is included with the box pack. So there you go. So that's the case. It's quite a good quality case included with the box pack. Then we have the manual and safety information, and the SIM ejector pin also included. So let's just keep this aside for a minute, and then let's see the dash charging. So this is the cable which is included, the USB Type-C cable, and we have the dash charger as well. So let's see the dash charger. So this is the dash charger. The voltage rating is 5 volt 4 ampere. So that's the dash charging. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So that's the OnePlus 6. So we have booted the device, and you can see the Oxygen OS. So this is a plain stock Android, and it comes with all the basic options and a couple of gestures included. Other than that, it's more or less like the stock Android. It comes with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, and Oxygen OS version is 5.1, and we have 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage. So that's the UI. So we have the almost same UI what we saw on the last year's Oxygen OS. So you can see here the quick toggles and settings option. So no third-party apps installed on this device. So it's pretty much the stock experience you get with the Pixel devices as well. So it's extremely responsive UI. That's one of the highlights of all the OnePlus devices. The UI is extremely fast and doesn't slow down even after months of usage. So that's one of the really important aspects of the OnePlus. So that's the UI. Now let's have a look at the camera as well. So this comes with, as I said before, dual camera setup. So this is the camera. We have the portrait mode, photo mode, and also video mode. So videos can be recorded in 4K resolution, and you can see that 4K at 60 FPS is included. So that's something good, and you also get a 1080p resolution at 60 FPS. So that's the how the OnePlus camera works, interface works. So you can see the portrait mode as well. So here are some of the samples we have taken with the OnePlus 6 after unboxing the device. So we'll be coming up with a detailed camera review later. So stay tuned for a detailed camera review as well. So the camera definitely looks good in our first impressions. So the OnePlus 6 comes with 3300 mAh capacity battery. The battery capacity literally remains the same from the OnePlus 5 and 5T. It's the same capacity battery, and we have this dash charging, which is one of the fastest charging technologies available right now, and it can charge the device in really fast time. So that's the OnePlus 6 with the mirror black variant. It's a glossy back panel and looks quite good. So that's the unboxing and hands-on with the OnePlus 6, the mirror black variant, which has 8 GB RAM and 128 gigs of storage. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.